ladies, just doing a really quick video on the mascara and how you can try and achieve that really false lash effect. So if you're doing it for a night out, it's really, really great. I've never really got on with false lashes, so this is a great alternative for me. So the first thing I'm going to do is take your eyelash curler and a hairdryer, and literally just for 3 seconds, like so, because you don't want it too hot that you actually hurt yourself. And then you're just going to curl your eyelashes like so and hold for a few seconds. Then we're going to take obviously the Fibre Lash mascara. So starting with the transplanting gel, just move my fringe out of the way. And just apply it like your regular mascara. Then take your fibres, slightly roll them out in the back of your hand, and then apply. As you can see, it's already adding volume and length. Then what you're going to do is get your hairdryer again and just for a couple of seconds blow it up towards your eyelashes. Like so. And then take your transplanting gel, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lashes. As you can see, my hair now looks nice and windswept, hence why it's tied up. And then you're going to seal the fibres. I do apologise, my neighbours are in the garden and the children are out there playing, and all I can hear is 2 boys fighting. Like so, and that's it, done. And as you can see, they are much more fuller, got much more volume. If you want to go in again and do another layer, you can, but it's a great little tip. Yeah, and they look great. Bye.